Does play help in building brain? Yes, definitely. Play provides an opportunity for a child to develop their lifelong skills. Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Kapoor and I'm a pediatric neurologist. So, children are natural scientists. They come into the world ready to experiment and learn. Play is the brain's most favorite way of learning. It's not just about holding a toy or having fun. It is incredibly significant for a young child's development and learning. Play is a great way to stimulate child's brain and boost cognitive, physical, social, and emotional development. Because their minds are like sponge, they absorb everything happening around them. If I have to describe it scientifically, let's assume our brain is like a night sky with millions of stars scattered all over. And when we experience new environment, new skills and relationship, connections are made between these points. And this is what we call as synapses. These neurological connections happen within the brain constantly, day in and day out during the early childhood period. And those connections are shaped by a combination of both nature and environment. Some connections build up strong and others are not used. They start to fade away with time. And that is what we call as pruning. That means cutting it out. And stimulation through play is the root of what abilities they will have as an adult. A parent must have noticed the repetition of their child's action. It is because the action has built a strong connection in their brain and thus strengthening these synapses. Games with basic rules teach social skills like turn taking, sharing, patience, empathy. It also develops child's language and communication skill. Pretend play helps children to improve their imagination and creativity and helps to regulate their thoughts and emotions. Small babies, when they coo, babble, or make different sounds while they engage playfully, they discover how to form a word with these sounds. In the same way, toys like rattles teach babies about the sensory properties of object, how it feels, their weight, their sound, how they move. All this is later gives rise to the development on language and social milestones. Scientists throughout the world and developmental specialists indicate that there is so much of evidence that show that play is essential for brain development. Also, there is evidence emerging that play deprivation can adversely affect the growth of the brain. So, the message is loud and clear. Play and learning are the two wings of butterfly. One cannot exist without the other.